Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
There in a real sense is truly potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $98 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Star Atlas DAO cost figure proposes a chance of Polies exchanging between $0.444 to $532 in 2030, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO especially is, as of now, valued at $49.22 on the lookout, which really is genuinely critical. The truly normal extended cost for Star Atlas DAO in 2040 is supposed to generally be $232, with pretty likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $212 and $275. Our Star Atlas DAO kind of long-haul figure for 2050 recommends Polies possibly running somewhere in the range of $289 and $337. Exhibiting how there in a real sense is potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as beautiful high as $98 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Starting around 01 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO certainly is. Exchanging at $49.22 in term of its US rate with the value change of 31% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. Polies truly has an especially all-out market cap of $119,688,378 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,260,576, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This especially makes Star Atlas DAO Polies certainly positioning at 389 in the digital money market, which in every practical sense shows that starting around 01 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO really is exchanging at $59.22 in term of its USD. With the value change of some 31% in most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO generally be somewhat worth in 2024, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Star Atlas DAO a very wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in a significant manner? Will Polies cost basically outperform its unequaled sort of high in a very large manner? These by and large are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies value is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $0.6973, the normal by and large least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the very current year ought to especially be $0.16718 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Polies can by and large arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.2272, or so they truly thought. Star Atlas DAO value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to be at around a kind of least of $48.85, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO cost can truly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $496 with the kind of typical cost of $343 in est, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the very greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could basically stretch around $0.5763, which basically is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Polies in walk 2024 most certainly is $0.5300, with a typical cost of $0.5503 in a kind of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to really be at around a very least of $0.5410, showing how there by and large is especially potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as certainly high as $98 toward 2025 in an extremely enormous manner's end. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a limit of $0.6038 with a really normal cost of $613 in est in a significant way. Polies value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO really is gauged to in every practical sense, be it around a kind of least worth of $0.5 and 27, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can, in every way that really matters, arrive at an all things considered limit of $0.62 to 62 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $782 in USD, which is very critical. Polly's value estimate. June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Star Atlas DAO essentially is supposed to really arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $694, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Polly's cost could essentially arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $684.94 with the typical cost around $588.97, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas DAO Polly's value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO really is truly anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a very normal cost of $1615 while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $6,730 and a by and large least of $5,761 in a sort of huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value forecast August 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is certainly anticipated to truly reach at any rate worth of $6,001 in August 2024, which essentially is very huge. The Polly's cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $7,030 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $6,256 all through 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Polly's value gauge September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at a really least value worth of $6,240, which truly is very huge. The Polly's cost could essentially arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $73.43 with a really normal cost around $64.43, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polly's value figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is truly anticipated to arrive at a really normal cost of $16,637, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $17,665 and an exceptionally least of $6,382 in a truly significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Polly's value. Expectation November 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.6032 and $0.7931 in a for the most part enormous manner. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to, in every way that really matters, be around $88.36, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Polly's value conjecture December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is supposed to essentially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $6,000.